BAKARIDENAKU. The grammar of BAKARIDENAKU is mean not only ... something but also, or it can mean as well as. So how to translate that mean depends on the sentence. Sometimes you can translate like not only ... something but also, and sometimes you can translate like as well as. Depends on the situation you are talking about. So how to use the grammar of BAKARIDENAKU? In Japanese, they use the verb in casual form with the BAKARIDENAKU, or they use noun with the BAKARIDENAKU, and they also use adjective such as adjective and noun adjective. But in adjective, you should end by na BAKARIDENAKU, or you can end by they are the BAKARIDENAKU, something like this. So what you have to remember this is when you use the na adjective, you should end the na by na or they are the and followed by the BAKARIDENAKU. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of BAKARIDENAKU, the next we are going to see some example of how to use. The first example, このマンションは狭いばかりでなく暗いです。このマンションは狭いばかりでなく暗いです。Which means this apartment is not only very small, it's also quite dark. This apartment is not only very small, it's also quite dark. The next example, うちの子は6歳なのに日本語ばかりでなく英語まで喋れるよ。うちの子は6歳なのに日本語ばかりでなく英語まで喋れるよ。Which means, although our child is only 6, they can speak not only Japanese but English as well. Although our child is only 6, they can speak not only Japanese but English as well. 彼は歌ばかりでなくダンスも上手です。彼は歌ばかりでなくダンスも上手です。Which means, he is not only good at singing, he also good at dancing. He is not only good at singing, he also good at dancing. Or you can translate like, he is not good at singing. He is not only good at singing, but he also good at dance. That means when you use the bakari, that means you plus something to the sentence, or you plus something to the situation that you are talking about. The next example, 俺は右手ばかりでなく左手でも字が書けるよ。俺は右手ばかりでなく左手でも字が書けるよ。Which means I can write with not only my right hand, but my left hand too. I can write with not only my right hand, but my left hand too. For the second sentence, you will see that, and they will explain that he or she can write both hands. So you can use the BAKARIDENAKU to explain that he have the ability to write both his or her hand. So you can use bakari to plus the good thing or the bad thing to the situation. in here for the both sentence plus for good thing. For example, Uta Bakaridenaku, that means he can sing very well and also dance very well. For the second sentence, I can write not only my right hand but my left hand too. That means I can write both the left hand and the right hand. But actually, people just write for the right hand, right? Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。